This is why you need to be on multiple social media platforms and have a strong online presence. Hi, I'm Matt Jupp, content creator, digital marketer. Being a business owner myself for the last 12 years, I help people unleash the power of social media to create, grow online, also to generate more income. So if you like the sound of that and it sounds right up your street, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments so I can talk about these subjects in future videos. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, solopreneur, service provider, content creator, being on social media and having a strong online presence is important for several reasons. One is reach. Your biggest currency on social media is social media, and that currency is for free. So have a lot of gratitude for this and take advantage of it. Social media platforms have a large user base, right? Especially platforms like TikTok. A presence on multiple platforms allows you to reach a wider audience. Public service announcement. Having more followers and visitors doesn't necessarily mean you're going to generate more income, but it will give you an opportunity. Increasing your visibility and reach, you can actually increase your chances to be seen by your ideal audience. This means if you went onto multiple platforms, this increases this percentage even more. It all depends where your ideal audience hangs out though. Or if your audience is more of a younger audience or younger adults, you may want to focus on a platform such as TikTok. Whereas if you're targeting more of a professional audience or going for high ticket, if you're into sales, you may want to do something or use something like LinkedIn. Just because an app has a lot of people from a certain age range on it doesn't mean that people who are the same as you or you're looking for are getting on this platform as well. On TikTok, there's loads of people over 30 on that platform. If you look at the hashtags over 30, there's billions, all right? So just feel free to try different platforms out. And with that bit of advice, you can take advantage of social media using the platforms to reach people who are not your ideal audience, but are likely or could be interested in your products and services and content later. For example, if you use social media advertising, target large specific groups, people based on their interests, demographics, behaviors, location, and so on. This allows you to reach more people or people in general may have not been aware of you or your business before. This will increase your chances of getting more customers, clients, followers. Plus, if you're on social media, never put all your eggs in one basket. Well, the world is changing and evolving on social media all the time at really lightning speed. However, many people are not moving with the times and they're getting stuck. If you want to make sure that your socials are staying on the right growth path for sustainable growth and success, you need to adapt, evolve, and stay relevant with the current trends and the times. You need to be where people are actually hanging about on Friends Reunited or MySpace, for example, even though I do like MySpace, or I did like MySpace, heard of MySpace? Let me know. For example, if a platform just dies or suddenly goes bust, you had like a massive glitch or bug on your account, which deleted all your followers, right? Changed their target audience. What are you gonna do? Because you just stuck to that one account. This is a really strong reason why I really recommend you being on other social media platforms. Try them, consume some content, get a feel for each different platform and the style and how people use it, talk, etc., etc. Then start making some content, even if it's just like twice a week. This will help give you experience and your account will build and grow over time. No pressure. And this would work even if you repurposed or reused older content from other platforms. Nothing changes, then nothing changes. Current situation is not going to change, so make things happen and just do it. Really posting high quality content that is relevant to your audience, you can keep your followers engaged and interested in you. This can also increase the visibility of your brand, as your followers or even strangers are more likely to share content to other people. This will increase your reach massively. Quality doesn't necessarily mean fancy edits and visually pleasing, all right? For example, on TikTok, everyone loves raw, rough looking content. And what I mean by that is just it looks natural, no editing, just recording a video, talking to it, and that's it. The reason why this content is so popular is because it makes the viewers feel like I'm actually talking to you, sitting on your own bed, in your bedroom or so on. This really brings and draws people in closer to you and builds a connection. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, having a content strategy though. But what I'm just saying, it's just easy to create content. Regarding your online presence, don't forget these people talk about you to their friends and family. And so think of the impact that has with word of mouth. Additionally, by creating content regularly and on multiple platforms, this can ensure your business or you as a creator is easily recognizable online. Whenever you post, it allows you to have an opportunity to engage live with strangers, followers, potential leads, current clients, and customers. This is a very powerful way to increase your engagement and foster a sense of community around your brand. By doing this in return, it can help you grow and has many benefits because these people will start to engage with more with your content and on other platforms, helping it push out each post to more people. All these people could be potential new leads, which could lead into clients, customers, and so on. These people can also give you valuable feedback for future products, future posts, future services. Valuable data, which is free, which you don't have to pay for. Data available as well, like analytics. And you can use this to track your metrics like engagement, likes, and so on. So you can understand what type of content is resonating best, and you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Now let's get down to why a lot of you are probably watching this video in the first place. A lot of people want to use social media because they want to generate more income. And one of the best ways you can generate income by being online on social media is by lead generation, attracting people who could potentially be new customers, clients, then converting them. Now, social media platforms can be used to generate leads by creating lead magnets. You can generate leads by promoting special offers, discounts, freebies. This could be like an ebook, cheat sheet, and you can exchange this with them, for example, for their email address, for example, which then can be used as a strategy to nurture them by delivering them epic value daily using email, for example, or a Facebook group or a Meta group or something like that to help build up trust. So there you go. That's a wrap for this video today, folks. Any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to respond to them when I can or talk about them in future videos. Before I go, please do hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. That way you'll never miss a new video of mine. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms for more tips and tricks on how to level up and grow online. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you